guys can see, currently stuck in some New York traffic. Everybody always asks me, oh, would you move to New York? No. Stopping for another freaking toll, man. These tolls are outrageous, guys. Should have got an easy pass. How you doing? $4. Let's see, we have 4.
All right, thanks. Have a good one.
Take it easy.
Thanks, you too.
Do a little pull for the fans. Sounds so good, guys. The exhaust is finally starting to like break in. Sounds like I have a short ram intake, guys, with the high flow filter and the Megan axle back, guys. It's a sick combination. I know it's noisy. I got the window here. Let me roll the windows up. Got like another 2 hours left before I'm in Lexington Park, Maryland. So I can't wait for the event tomorrow. I can't wait to meet up with some of you guys. I have some car reviews scheduled. It's going to be a sick weekend, guys, and hopefully the weather stays nice. All right, entering the Baltimore Tunnel, guys. It's out here, Edgewater, Maryland right now, so the ride was pretty good. I got like another hour left. It took me about like 7 hours to get out here. Got Midnight chilling right here. She's not too dirty right now, but I gotta make sure that I clean this thing up for the event tomorrow, but especially the wheels. So we're gonna go into Wawa, my favorite spot. I was waiting to find one of these and grab some grub. I'm gonna grab some grub and some gas, and then we're gonna head to Lexington Park. All right, what do I wanna get? Let's see, lunch. All right, guys, got a coffee, keep me energized. Got some food, some mac and cheese and a burrito. All right, guys, got Midnight right here chilling. I'm gonna let this thing take a little break because I literally just drove like 6 or 7 hours straight. So we got the grub. I'm out here and I'm about to just feast real quick. Your boy is hungry as hell right now, so gonna let it air out, guys. Let that turbo air out. My mac and cheese, guys, signature Wawa edition, and it is absolutely nice as hell right now. Your boy looks homeless, just chilling right here. Hopefully, maybe people will donate me some money and feel bad, you know? They'll be like, where are you coming from? I'll be like, I don't got any money to get back. I'm stranded out here. Psych. These guys, their burritos, their food in general is absolutely amazing. Like, you gotta love Wawa. Underglow gang. So I'm being extra budget tonight, posting up in this Walmart parking lot. So I got to get some shut-eye because it's currently 1 o'clock right now and I haven't even been sleeping yet, and I need to be up for like 5 or 6 o'clock. I got my pillow, blanket in the back, and yeah, we're gonna post up in Midnight, just recline back and sleep for a few hours, do it the budget way. Maybe brush my teeth in the bathroom, in the Walmart bathroom. We'll see what happens, but I'm stoked for tomorrow. I cannot wait for the event. And then I have a couple subscribers I'm going to be meeting up with. Brandon, Shane, possibly Brandon's boy. So that should be sweet. I'll be rolling out with a couple 9th gens. So stay tuned for the morning. It's like a Fast and Furious meet right here. Look at the underglow, man. Yeah, it's like 3:30 right now, and I'm having like problems falling asleep, guys. Like, just carriages moving around, freaking cars going by. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep for like another 2 hours, just because I need to be somewhat rested up for the event. So I'll see you guys out here at the car wash, and you guys can see Midnight's all cleaned up to the best I could do. We got Shane pulled up in his 9th gen, all decked out. He just redid his wheels. You guys can see they came out awesome. And then Brandon's car's all clean. So We're getting ready to leave right now. We got about like a 30-minute ride. Brandon and Shane ripping. I don't even know how to explain how loud they are, but if I had their setup, I would definitely get pulled over. Literally a minute from the event. I'm pretty excited right now, and hopefully the rain holds off for today because I know they were talking rain in the forecast. All right, guys, pulling in as we speak. This does not do any justice in the amount of people that are here right now, guys. It's absolutely insane. There's freaking cars everywhere. It's about to be a huge day today, man. Your boy Gerb's in preferred parking.